Hello, hello, hello. Okay. So today we are only might go higher. So my bias could be this highs 10, 15 highs. This is 10, 15 highs, right? Look at this. But we tapped into this today opening race, so we might also be a bearish. So the reaction on the 15 minute is pretty very valid reaction that in my go both of the sides. And look at this Asian highs and low. We took the Asian, we distributed inside the. So there's a 15 minute, while 15 minute here. And another 15 minute here. So 1 hour. Yeah, there's a 1 hour here. 4 hour. Now 4 hours. So the 4 hour candle is gonna be shooting lower to the highs. Most probably this is what's going to happen. So we should react from this today opening range. We didn't took that 10, 15 highs yet. So what we are going to we are trying our crazy. This is demo account. So oh we can't. We this is lagged, right? Okay. That is lag here, so we can't try it here. Anyway, we can try that. Like what we are expecting. But we are doing a sell off, right? So sell off to where exactly? This is, I think there is no news coming up. Mm, where is the news? Yeah, we have 10 a.m. news here. Job opening. Okay. I should be aware of that shit. Hmm. So we are most likely to go higher, in my opinion. The bias is almost plain if we have tap into any of this. Yeah, we might have can go higher. This previous 10 a.m. lows. Okay. Look at this reaction and we instantly so we have liquidity above these regions. Let's see. So this is 9 a.m. This could be the primary target, which we might want to go. Ah, look at the reaction. Oh, I didn't open the trade lock rate. Now this 730 low right here. This might be a key level for me. We didn't do the previous low, so this could act as a projection wick this week. So before we want to may want to take that. So these are the highs which we need to be aware of. As right said, we might don't do anything. Mm, 730 low. This is 7930. So if we can stack this here, it should be much better. I want to deliver it to the downside first to go higher. I can take at least this. This is 710. That is 750. So most likely we are going to higher. So first time we are intercepting this level, this might be a bearish reaction. Mhm. But the second time is gonna be mm, can close this for now maybe. ആശിച്ചവനാകാശത്തിനൊരാനെ കിട്ടി. Um, they have 930 loss here also. We made that hourly wick, so I might try this long. What is this? This is a this is data wicks. Look at that close. We are most likely getting a bearish reaction. I said that, but this is still good. The 15 minute doesn't look so good right now. What I'm doing? Fuck this shit. We're still going to higher, but we take these 930 lows before. We don't have anything to invoice. Maybe a 15 second. Yeah, we can take in 15 seconds. We can take something like this. Do I make break even at this 930s? 930 break even. Either of this 930 counts. This is clean structure here. The bullish structure is clean. We can target the 730s also. Look at that. With 15 seconds, I have done back data, but this is clean. So we might want to take that. This is a break-even zone. We might want to put it. Mm. It might be a full tip. Maybe it will distribute to this 730 lows. Let's see if it didn't react from these lows, we might go very low. What is this? This is 715. Now we getting reaction from the. Are we going lower, guys? Are we edging this? Not inverse this 1 minute to go higher. Hmm. So we have a right equal of them at what? At what level? 730. Taking that 730 will be more, would be that move that we are looking for. Shit, no, we took the 730. We stack let equal lows here on the yes. Then 715 is also down low. Here it is. Let's see the look at this previous today opening range, previous London lows, London highs, previous New York PM session highs. Mm. This is a good reaction from here. I took this trade. This could be also called a pattern, right? But this is a very good structure with very good inversion. Everything is perfect here. If I didn't take this much clean price action, it might be a very bad move. So there is a problem here in the 15 minute, but I think this will distribute without any problem. Let's see. Break into this 930 highs. Where is the same as these highs? Yeah. It's not showing. We are might be delivering that 10, 15 highs, or we are stalling. We are not going to stall here. With current price action, we are not going to stall there. We are pretty bullish and pretty clean structures. Why the fuck did we get out of here? Why did we get out of this? For $20 profit, we get out of the trade, man. What the fuck? What has happened? What happened? We re-enter, but re-entering will be against our rules. But this looks so clean. I might re-enter. What happened? Did I not put confirm? I did put confirm. What the fuck, bro? Let's see how this 3 minute will close. So based on that, we can re-enter. Mm. I'm taking this trade by putting my SL right there. Why the fuck did the first thing got break even? It's risking only $26. What is happening? My Volvo wanted to fuck this. I am closing it manually, so let's wait to get close it for manual. Break even at this hourly highs. 15 minutes will close in few seconds. 10:15 doesn't met yet. After we met that 15, 10:15, I might trail my SR. I took it out for 1 to 2. So what this happened with this? It is a full TP. First trade was a clean full TP. What the fuck, man? I don't know what that happened. 45 plus 20, almost there. 55, $65 in profit. Gross. What the fuck is that? It should have a clean 1 to 2 without taking a story under. So, oh, look at the price action. The 50-minute is opening, so better close it from here. We took both the 10:15 and 9:15, both of our rows. We are done 15 minutes into the open of the 10 a.m. open. Fuck it. Either way. What is such a good clean price action with good momentum? Great, great, great. See, why didn't we wait for this 15 minutes? But we are inside a couple of these 5 minutes February gap. Measure perfectly. Will be enforced. Wow, what a clean price action. I did enter this trade, okay? This trade is what I entered. Putting my SL here, and I waited for a TP at this 1.5. That is probably I rest 50 and TP I probably $75 TP. But then the fucker got out of for $20. What the fuck? I don't even realize what. When I just open, look at this. Look at this. I put. Sorry, this is not the trade. Okay, look at this. Yeah, I entered here. Okay, and is it? Yeah, I got break even at that this high, which is 930 high. We already met that, so we broke break even at that high. And then what happened? Sorry, I said. Yeah, I got break even there. Okay, then I put my take profit there. Okay, then I put that there. Then I confirm. Okay, clean. It was clean, right? Look at now. When I comes to this, and then Come back into the preload again. Look at this. You already get out of there. What the fuck? For $20 profit. But I risk 50s. Either way, we got a win. Oh, we re-ended on the 3 minute inversion. 3 minute close to the upside. To the clean close. We close with enough momentum. So enough for us to go for a long. The first trade was this, so pretty good trade. The previous days highs and lows will surely help us. So market also. We now delivered into today's highs and lows, time highs and lows to the previous hours, highs and lows. It is also a 1 hour fair value gap, which is the 1015. The re-entry was this three close, which is I put at the stop loss. I don't know. That's that 3 minute loss. I did put it as a 3 minute low. Yeah, below that 1 minute inversion, I think. Yeah, this inversion. I think I put it here, then entered there. Okay, I'm waiting for something like this. Almost I have 1 to 2, I think. Yeah, 1 to 2. Yeah, 1.1. Yeah, so more than 1 to 2. Looking great trade. GG. Okay. 30 seconds for just a reference. So the 30-second close here. So let's see the problem is this the break even a okay break even? Yes, actually because we already took the 930 highs here, but the 930 high took the 930. So actual break even should be this high here because I am putting the break even when the 930 higher request regular liquidity will sweep by another week. We should put the break even at that level. That is my kind of rules for me, new rule for me, and this is the break even zone I put on the second trade. The continuation setup here, we can take this continuation setup to what is this? Continuation setup, I think. The March pair is very good, man. We can took this to this 8 a.m. highs, which is untouched. Such a clean inversion also. I would definitely take this trade if I didn't take these two trades. So if we have good momentum and good close, that's it. Yeah. What a great day. Let's mark it here. When we inverse this, we can see that we didn't take that 930 yet. So it was a perfectly good trade. This is the first trade. The second trade was when we closed, I think here, where we closed here. 3 minutes. What I wanted to, okay. The second trade also I risked $50 and it only got filled for $25. What is that? I don't know exactly what happened. Is there any? Oh, I might get some kind of mails or something. Sorry, I might took it for risk from the risk team. I might get some kind of yeah. Week, are you done? No, nothing from the risk team yet. No mails on the risk team. It's a clean trade, but the inversion is a bit weak. But still, we can risk a $25 for this trade and wait for it to get the 8 a.m. Break even at this highs, this 9:45 highs. There is no actual reason now this trade is going to lose. Continuation setup. We are inside this 1 hour that is going to close 4 minutes. So better not to take this trade. But still, is it a valid trade? Okay. Break even at this high, quick break evens. That's the model I might take if I taking this trade. So yeah, the 1 hour is the villain here. Well, major dogs are already took. I didn't took this trade, so we are we can take the continuation setup from here, but after this 1 hour closed, so better waiting for the 1 hour close is the best thing. I need to check with the we open at 10 a.m. So take straights from here. We are making an upper wake, so better not. After we into tap into the 5 minute, 15 minutes, takes the straight. Otherwise, if we inverse this 1 minute, take it. It's clean. We can deliver into this 8 minute. Mm, not now, maybe because the 10 a.m. open we should come without any delay here. I'm wondering what happened actually. Set right here, la, 10 a.m. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, I did this. Okay, no problem. I'm chatting with the Rux team of the QT100. So I'm journaling and going to talk with my um, the funded firms. Uh, First I'm going to do the journaling, so let's do it first. There is no details, right? No, that's okay. What is this? We are actually bearish, so we're in inverse this gap also. So that is a pretty invalid trade. Previous day, I think this is which day low is this? It's in 10 a.m. low, like there we are. 9 hour low. We on do you see? Actually, mm, was this 15 minute lah. I have to check with the. So here we can see that we sub the previous hourly low also. We need to add that also because previous hourly low is swept. So I think the previous hourly low is this. This is the previous hourly low. We swept that and we can check with here to the 9 a.m. Ah, which is the low? This is the exact low which we swept previous hourly low. Oh, which comes parallel like this 9 a.m. low, this 9 a.m. low parallels with. What? This is enough for the one. This is mm, first trade was I was aiming for a 1 to 1.5 right? 1.5. There was a win. There was plus $200. There was income. Win was win. Entry was it was a perfect delivery from the previous hour 9 a.m. low, paralleling with the 9 a.m. 1 hour low today. Today's 1 hour 9 a.m. low. The major was with PO3 with previous 1 hour low, with momentum, with 1 minute inversion. Okay. They are not delivering from any gaps, but still it is a great trade. This is also the pre-condition. Time of low and time of. How to edit this? Time of entry was exactly at 9:37. 9:37. The oil was my. This is the 9:33. The oil was to the pre unmitigated 9:15, and this was the break even was I was planning to. Um, what is this high? This nine higher. This was the BE. This is not the BE. This is the TP, which is at 8:45. I think this is data height. I think this is the. I think there is a 9:45 news somewhere. Let me think. I think I see that. This is 8:45. Okay, that's it. Is there a news at 8:45? The 8:30 a.m. There was a news. At 8:30 we have no reaction, but we have 8:45 news, which is have a reaction. But this was the news here. But 8:30 no news. I think so. It is not a data high. Exactly writing 8:46. If we can see this, we can clearly see what are the reasons why we took this trade. Mhm. No, where was previous 1 hour higher low? No. Time highs and 9:30 opening high, which is there, which swept this and we go break even there. And previous anomaly 51, 58 and 15. And this, do we have any session liquid or something like that? Nothing. And that time we have nothing. Oh, this is the previous 9:30. No, this is the 9:30. Yeah, that's the previous 9:30. Oh, we already also rejected from this 2-day opening range. We should add. There is also a 1 hour imbalance where we have this pre. So these are the things we should take this one more time and imbalance. Okay, that's it. Writing is an A plus setup and outline if we put this tray. Um, let's take the 3 minute also for a rough time. We need to add the this to for a reference. There is so much noise, but still we can analyze from this. I think no problem. High time frame we can include 1 hour. Don't want 1 hour here. Do we want this? No. And also This previous one half high, which is I think this pass inside of a half. The dam was great price action actually. After we swept this previous 9 a.m. 1 hour low, I think. Yeah, 9 a.m. and a previous hourly low. Swap previous low. Momentum. There was 1 hour with momentum. We have mm, 9 a.m. candle swept high. Up. And this enough, I think. Second ring of 1 to 2. Sorry. Final was plus 45 dollars. There was NQ. Then Henry was 3 minute FBI. There is no 3 minute IFG, but we took the trade when the 3 minute closed bullish, which is good. Oh, this is a 5 minute gap also. Wow, wait. Aligning inside a 5 minute FBI. Great trade. Henry was just after that trade. It is 9:41. Meanwhile, was I think that previous unmitigated 45 imbalances. Let's see. Resistance. Time highs. Right there, it was yesterday because it is a continuation trade and the stop loss was tight. About 38 pip stop. Let me include this trade here. That's enough. The high time frames are already there. So wave one was good, even though instead of Friday also we got a win. Today these are break evens, but the break evens were have a slip pay. So that's it for the day. Send the stream. And we don't need to take anything else, right? Yeah. We already all rest day talk with the rest team. So done for the day.